All right, Dr. Preston here with this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Last week in February, we're going to talk a little bit about heart health. Last time here. We're going to talk about how chiropractic care can benefit heart health. The first thing we like to talk about is blood pressure. All right, when we adjust C1, or we like to call it the atlas, there's significant studies that show it can decrease blood pressure. All right, reason number two, we're going to talk a little about nerve function. If you guys didn't know, each one of our organs is controlled by a nerve, all right? And if you guys didn't know, a little fun fact for you, already lost my dime, whatever. The weight of a dime on a nerve root can decrease the function of that nerve up to 60%. This dime right here, the weight of that, all right? So if we are losing function to the heart, we're gonna have lower heart health, all right? I don't know about you, but I want my heart functioning at 100% or as close to 100% as possible. All right, reason number three, we're going to talk a little bit about inflammation. Nobody likes inflammation within their body, but when we see those elevated blood markers and we're showing that we're having high elevations of inflammation within our body, it can lead to a cardiovascular event happening. All right, so if we can lower inflammation within our body through chiropractic care, we're going to increase that heart function. All right, reason number four is lungs. All right, we need to be able to breathe. So if we're having things like asthma, or other heart issues decreasing that lung function, we're going to decrease oxygen to the heart. So if we can increase that lung function through chiropractic care, we're going to increase heart function. All right, that's this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. We'll see you next week.